Alright, hi there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing some trading. I'm going to be looking at the Euro to USD and the GPD to USD. I'm going to be trading CCI mainly and just Bollinger Bands for confirmation, and just going to see how good I am and try to stay consistent with my trades. So yeah, as usual I'll be walking through showing you why and how I place my trades so you guys understand, trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys to start and learn to trade. So let's just have a look and see what there is. Okay. I'm going to place a call there and see how that does. Now I'm just going to look at this. I'm going to explain why I placed that put in a second. I'm that call, sorry, in a second. I'm just going to analyze this and see if I can get in on one of these trades first. Just waiting to see if this is going to drop any. Hopefully it does. Oh, are you joking? Are you joking? Well, I guess I was lucky then. I guess I was lucky. Okay. I'm going to explain in a second using my trading history, but I'm just gonna keep an eye on this for the meantime to see if I can get in on a trade here, because I believe there'll be a trend reversal, and I believe it's gonna be. This is gonna. Hopefully, this goes up due to a little bit of market testing, and then we can get in on a put if it does. If not, then we're gonna be out of this trend reversal because I don't feel confident placing a trade now. Okay, so let's call that put. So firstly, that might not have been the best of trades, but anyway, I'm going to explain as to why I placed the put there. So the reason why I placed the put was due to the fact that I saw the CCI oversold, and the candlestick was looking as if it would be on a downwards trend. So I placed the CCI. I placed my trade looking at the CCI, thinking that it would go down. However, it doesn't look as if it's done that, and it looks as if there's a breakout occurring, which is just very unlucky. But yeah, that is very unlucky, the breakout. Oh, that's not too good. Okay, well, that's unlucky. Put 500. Now to explain why I placed this trade, it will be okay. So it will be. Let me look at the time frame where I placed it. So I placed it at 2010-19. Okay. So if I go to 2010-19, so I placed it around here. The reason why I placed this trade was because if you look at the CCI where my mouse currently is, it looks as if it's an upwards trend. However, it is oversold. However, it looks like an upwards trend as if it is going to go up. So I placed the trade hoping that it would go up, therefore therefore showing an indication of the trend reversal. However, as you can see, that's currently not happened. So it's just quite it didn't happen straight away. As you can see, it dropped a little bit more and then it increased, which is unlucky. So like I said, the main problem sometimes during the CCI is time frames, and time frames are really hard to get used to trade with. Okay, so now I'm looking here to get the trend reversal. I think this is going to be it, so I'll wait for this to drop and I'm going to place a call. Okay, so the reason why I placed that trade, hopefully this one wins. The reason why I placed that trade is because I looked at the CCI. Also, the trend, first of all, is the CCI. So the CCI is currently oversold, as you can see, but it looks as if it was going to, as we say, it has to be a trend reversal because it has to stay between the minus 100 and the 100. The second reason why is because, the second reason I think this is a good trade is because it's been on a downwards trend. It's touched the Bollinger Band, meaning sometimes, majority of the time should I say, when it touches the bottom Bollinger Band, it should be another upwards trend reversal. And that is Bollinger Band confirmation of the CCI. So that's the second reason as to why I placed that trade. I think that, but now what we can see is potentially a breakout, but I'm not going to worry about that too much. I hope you understand why I placed that trade. So it touched the bottom Bollinger Band. It was on a downwards trend, meaning that if we took away the CCI anyway, we should be able to use our knowledge of Bollinger Bands and know that as soon as it touches the bottom Bollinger Band, there should theoretically be a trend reversal. And then we've used our CCI, knowing that it's been at the oversold mark, it needs to go back up, so there should be an increase. So it was kind of a confirmation from both indicators as to why that trade was successful. Hopefully it drops. Okay, so I just got in that trade because it dropped a little, but it's not moving too much. This is going to be my last trade for the day, so I'm going to leave it at this, but I'm just going to explain the reason why I've done that. The CCI is really low, and as you can see, looking at the CCI now, it looks as if it is going to go up. Hence why I placed the trade, basically. Hopefully this isn't a draw. It would be very unfortunate if it is. And it is. Very unfortunate. I'm going to stay with this trade and see if this drops only a little bit more. Then we can probably get in on it one more time because it hasn't fluctuated too much. So I'm just going to stay. Oh. Okay, so I'm looking at a decrease. Oh, a put, sorry. I want what I want to happen now. Okay, I'm gonna place a put now. So just in case you don't understand, the reason why I placed that put was due to the fact that the CCI is currently just touched the, what do you call it, sorry, overbought, and it's quite similar to what's happened here and here where I missed opportunities to get in on trades where the CCI has just touched and the trend has just touched the top Bollinger Band and there's been a complete trend reversal. So for example, it's touched down here, there's been a trend reversal up, and now it's touched the top Bollinger Band as well as the CCI touching the top oversold mark. Now there should be a downwards trend. That's the same situation that occurred up here where it touched here. Or first of all, it's touched down here and I had the chance to get in on a call. However, I wasn't confident and I didn't place the trade. And also, you can see by looking at the CCI that the CCI did touch here. And then it also happened again where it touched the top Bollinger Band as well as touching the overbought on the CCI. However, I still didn't have the confidence to get in the trade. The same situation has occurred again, so I've gotten in a trade this time, and there's been a win. So yeah, okay, yeah. So the market's becoming very volatile. So and as well as being very unpredictable, unpredictable, making it very hard for me to trade. So I'm gonna call it a day there. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it there. So I done what 4 trades? Oh wait, 5 trades today. I only won 2 and I only lost 2. I think this one was quite unlucky to get the draw, but yeah. So 5 trades, 2 losses. Leave it at that. Um, I'm gonna continue to upload these videos, but please like, share, and subscribe for just to give me support and hopefully get my YouTube channel out there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.